Do you feel like you've tried everything to lower your cholesterol, but nothing seems to work? I did too, until I discovered these simple, natural techniques that helped me lower my cholesterol by a staggering 50 points in just 1 month. In this video, I'll be sharing my story and the tips and tricks that worked for me. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. My story. Welcome to my video on how I lowered my cholesterol by 50 points in just 1 month. I know firsthand how frustrating and overwhelming it can be to deal with high cholesterol levels. I was diagnosed with high cholesterol a few years ago, and like many of you, I was prescribed cholesterol-lowering medications by my doctor. While the medications helped to lower my cholesterol levels, I always felt like there had to be a better way to manage my cholesterol without relying on medication. That's when I decided to take matters into my own hands and do some research on natural ways to lower cholesterol. After a lot of trial and error, I finally stumbled upon a few techniques that worked for me and helped me lower my cholesterol by a whopping 50 points in just 1 month. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's possible. And the best part is that these techniques are natural, easy to implement, and can be incorporated into your daily routine. So, what exactly did I do to lower my cholesterol by 50 points in just 1 month? The first thing I did was make some changes to my diet. I know we've heard all before, but let me tell you, your diet plays a huge role in your cholesterol levels. Make changes to diet. I made sure to cut out as much processed and unhealthy food as possible and focused on eating a diet that was high in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. I'd also made sure to limit my intake of saturated and trans fats and added sugars, as these can all contribute to high cholesterol levels. One thing that really helped me was making a conscious effort to incorporate more plant-based foods into my diet. I made sure to eat plenty of leafy greens, beans, lentils, and nuts, as these are all high in fiber and nutrients that can help to lower cholesterol levels. I also made sure to include healthy fats such as avocado, olive oil, and nuts, as these can help to increase HDL, good cholesterol levels. Another important aspect of my diet was avoiding processed and unhealthy foods as much as possible. I made sure to read labels and avoid foods that were high in saturated and trans fats, as these can contribute to high cholesterol levels. I also limited my intake of added sugars, as these can contribute to weight gain and negatively impact cholesterol levels. Instead, I focused on eating whole, unprocessed foods that were rich in nutrients and provided a variety of health benefits. Incorporate regular physical activity. In addition to making dietary changes, I also made sure to get regular physical activity. Exercise is a great way to boost your HDL, good cholesterol levels, and lower your LDL, bad cholesterol levels. I made sure to get at least 30 minutes of moderate to intense physical activity every day, whether it was going for a jog, doing a yoga class, or hitting the gym. Exercise not only helped to lower my cholesterol levels, but it also improved my overall health and well-being. One thing that really helped me stay motivated to exercise was finding activities that I enjoyed. I made sure to mix things up and try different types of physical activity, such as cycling, hiking, and swimming. This helped me to stay interested and engaged in my workouts and made them feel more like a fun, enjoyable activity rather than a chore. Manage stress levels. Another important factor in lowering my cholesterol was managing my stress levels. High levels of stress can contribute to high cholesterol levels, so it was important for me to find ways to manage my stress. I found that activities like meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature helped me to relax and de-stress. I also made sure to prioritize self-care and set aside time for myself each day to do things that I enjoyed. This could be as simple as taking a hot bath, reading a book, or going for a walk in nature. I found that taking a few minutes each day to focus on myself and do something that I enjoyed really helped to reduce my stress levels and improve my overall well-being. In addition to activities like meditation and self-care, I also made sure to practice stress management techniques like deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation. These techniques are simple and can be done anywhere, making them a convenient way to manage stress on the go. I also found it helpful to set boundaries and make time for rest and relaxation. It's important to remember that it's okay to say no and prioritize your own well-being. I made sure to set aside time each day to relax and recharge, whether it was taking a nap, going to bed early, or simply taking a few minutes to sit and relax. Managing stress was a crucial part of lowering my cholesterol levels and improving my overall well-being. By making time for self-care and finding activities that helped me to relax and de-stress, I was able to lower my cholesterol levels and improve my overall health and well-being. Take supplements that support healthy cholesterol levels. Finally, I made sure to take supplements that are known to support healthy cholesterol levels. There are several supplements out there that have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, such as garlic, artichoke leaf extract, and omega-3 fatty acids. I made sure to incorporate these supplements into my daily routine, and I believe they played a significant role in lowering my cholesterol by 50 points in just 1 month. Garlic, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to help lower LDL bad cholesterol levels and increase HDL good cholesterol levels. It's also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help to lower blood pressure. I made sure to incorporate garlic into my diet as much as possible, whether it was cooking with fresh garlic or taking a garlic supplement. Artichoke leaf extract is another supplement that has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. It's believed that artichoke leaf extract may help to reduce the absorption of cholesterol in the digestive system, resulting in lower overall cholesterol levels. I made sure to take an artichoke leaf extract supplement on a daily basis to help support my cholesterol levels. Omega-3 fatty acids are another supplement that can be beneficial in supporting healthy cholesterol levels. Omega-3s are a type of healthy fat that has been shown to help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and may also help to raise HDL, good cholesterol levels. I made sure to incorporate sources of omega-3s into my diet, such as fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as taking a high-quality omega-3 supplement. I hope that my story and the tips and tricks that I shared will help you to lower your cholesterol naturally and improve your overall health. Remember, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional about any concerns and make informed decisions about your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and videos. Also, be sure to check the description for even more helpful tips and resources. Thank you for watching.